Well, good morning. I just got to the dealership. They're running the recall on the Bronco. They're getting that fixed. They're doing oil change and rotating the tires as well. I'm just sitting here waiting. And then we're headed over to Frank's Glass. We're going to give him the target top. He's going to re-urethane it. And then we're dropping off my bicycle frame at the powder coaters. I don't think there's anything else I need to... Oh, Harbor Freight. I need to go to Harbor Freight today. There he goes, getting the oil changed and the tires rotated. And the recall done. Well, I just dropped off the bike frame at the powder coaters. They're gonna do an awesome job putting a wonderful color on it. And I'm not gonna reveal that color until it's done. He said about a week, maybe 2. He's pretty busy. I got the top done for the Corvette. And I'm just headed back home now. Hour and a half. We'll be back and we can... He said that urethane would probably be cured in about 24 hours. So hopefully it keeps from snowing tonight. And I can end up putting it on tomorrow. If it snows tonight, it's going to be a problem. But I can put it on tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to what this bike frame is going to look like when it's done. Anything I've had powder coated before just turns out really, really nice. And I'm hoping that it doesn't have any imperfections in it. If it does, it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to keep my eyes on the road, keep my attention on the road. I'll see you guys when we get back to Moab. Well, that was crazy. So I made it back into town, and then my neighbor immediately, well, he didn't have me come over, but I went over to his house, and we installed the rear shocks, or struts, McPherson struts on his car. Oh, I cleaned out the car of all the stuff that I got in price. So the back is empty now. And then I sat on the computer for a little while and fell asleep. Now I'm on my way to go get a brownie. I want a brownie. So I'm gonna go get a brownie. So yeah, it's been a chaotic afternoon. Not really chaotic. I may have something coming up as a business opportunity. We'll find out. I'm not sure yet. Alright, I don't know if you're going to notice a difference, but I just put in my new card. I was using this PNY card before. Probably not going to make a difference in the quality or anything like that, but as far as transfer speeds and whatnot, it'll be a lot faster for me. But that's going to do it for today's video. I'm really tired. It's almost midnight. I'm going to go to bed. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.